guys, good morning. Another vlog today, and we will be going to Bukit Timah Nature Reserve, and it's one of the end parks here in Singapore National Park. So I'll bring Lalang with me. Let's go. Hi guys, I'm back. So I'm not really good at navigation. So what I did, I searched through Google where's the place, Bukit Timah Nature Reserve, and our entry point. We will be meeting at the MRT of Orchard since we're taking a red line, and then from Orchard we will go to Novena and we'll take a bus. Yan guys, nandito na ako sa Orchard, and ang usapan namin ni Helen is 7 AM. Nandito na kami sa Orchard, so punctual naman kaming dalawa, pero hindi ko alam kung nasaan siya. I'll just call her. So we just started the walk and hinihingal na kami. I already had 3,600 steps. Pero nasa bungad pa lang kami, diba? What more pa pag na-reach na namin yung end. Huwag kang lolo-loko, kundi patay ka sa nanay mo. It's a joke. Ay, oh my god, naka-receive ako ng live later. Wala lang. Guys, can you see that slope? Oh my gosh. I like it. No regrets? Oh my gosh, it's monkey. Hello, so where are we gonna go first? Quarry Road or Summit? But I think right. No, we can go for.
We can see the sunset.
Okay,
But this time is no sunset.
Okay.
Anyway, we can see.
Are you ready? So we are now in Summit Path, and I don't know how many steps we have to get in to the summit. So okay, say hi, mister. Oh gosh. I can't do it. Guys, just a quick advice. If you plan to come here, make sure tomorrow we don't have work or tomorrow you're off day, okay? Or else we're gonna take MC. Okay, we already reached the end of the stairs. So we're going to the
I don't have energy to go down, so just roll it down.
It's okay, I brought some food if you're hungry on top, then
That's why your bag is heavy.
yes, I have some biscuit and almonds. Alright, steps trekking. I already had 5,000 steps and it's just a 30 minutes walk here. So expect more steps to go. More sweat. So that's the bungalow. Oh, it's the summit hut. So that's it? Oh, there's more. I think there's more, Helen. This is the hut. That's the one? Oh, really? Okay, sure. Take picture now.
Those people have been compared nonsense.
So I was trying to...
Be careful. I'm taking video, but be careful, really.
Okay.
Listen up.
Okay.
One.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Can you? Alright, so we're going to, where is that? Dairy Farm. But I think it's better if we go to the Dairy Farm Nature Park first.
But it's 1.5 hours approximate walking time.
Alright, so after the summit, we will go to Dairy Farm. So let's see what's in there. I'm not really sure. Kasi nalilito ako pag sinesearch ko sa yung Bukit Timah Nature Park. Nag-a-appear din yung sa Bukit Batok, which is, I don't know which is which. So anyway, we're going to the dairy farm and let's see what's in there. So I don't know how many steps again is the stairs. So anyway, nakapagpahinga kami ng konti kanina sa summit. So, nakita naman yung picture ko, diba? Parang hindi nag-struggle umakyat. Hi guys, hindi pa namin siya na-reach kasi there's two choice pala for you how to get to dairy farm. One is longer, one is shorter, but it's, you know, lots of stairs. But let's see how. I don't know what's in there kasi two-way. Hindi ko naman naintindihan yung in-explain nila kanina. So, we'll just see it on our own eyes. It's already open na ba for breakfast? No, but the time we reach there is already lunch, so we can have fried chicken and spaghetti. So we haven't even reached the goal. Helen is already thinking what to eat later. Oh my gosh. So we saw a flowing water over there earlier, so we're trying to find the falls. There's waterfalls here. Maybe it's so high. Water break. Okay, I'll just drink water first. Dairy Farm hat. Why always I say from? Dairy Farm. Grabe. I'm really tired. Already have 7,000 steps. Just for 1 hour.
Go up and down.
Yeah. Life is up and down, and there's no easy way for you to get your goals, right? You have to work hard. You have to sweat. Oh my gosh. So we achieved 1.5 hours of walking on the trail. So where are we going now? Exit and eat Jollibee.
I see the view. It's not the video.
Alright, so we're done. We had 10,000 steps and 178 calories burned. But then we will eat rice and fried chicken and Jollibee. So yeah, that's the way it is. But I'm so hungry. But yeah, actually it's better if you go back this way. It's so relaxing. But we have to go to Santa. I'm falling already. Ay! Slowly, one by one. So earlier, right, we're wondering why the people going down, I mean walking down, is they walk backwards. So now we know that it's more relaxing and it's easier to walk backwards like this. Hi guys, so I guess this is the end of the video. We didn't reach the goal, the quarry. I don't know how to get there, but next time we'll try to reach that quarry. For now, that's it. I guess the goal is achieved. It's 11,000 steps now. And yeah, please comment down below where are the best parks in Singapore. It's good for trekking, jogging, and thank you for watching guys. Bye. Two.